Hi guys, welcome back. So there's been this video trend, challenge thing going around where people are using their pets to pick out their makeup and they do a full face. I believe this trend was started by a girl named Kayla. I will have everyone's videos linked down below just to give them their props. I never thought we would be in a situation on YouTube where we have our animals pick out our makeup. I'm not judging shit. I am the proud owner of two lovely cats, one of which has a bladder problem and the other one is super antisocial unless you pet her on the stomach. And I'm going to be using them to pick out my makeup, and yeah, this should be very interesting. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, to be honest. This could be a very, how do you say, ass. So for each category of products, I picked out 6 items, 3 of which I like, 3 of which I don't like. And I mixed them in together, randomly laid them out on the table, and then I'm gonna put treats, cat treats behind or underneath the actual products. And whatever product that my cats go towards first will be the product that I put on my face. By the way, I do have merch out right now, and I believe you'll only have like 3 or 4 more days left to purchase it. I will leave the link down below. It's shopthomashalbert.com. Seriously, guys, check out the merch. It's really awesome, and it means a lot to me if you support me and support what I have going on here. It's really, just really awesome. We're one big family. Without rambling too much, let's get right on into whatever the fuck this video is about to be. Wow, they're hype. These cats are hype. Okay. So I'm just gonna do one cat each. So first off, we're gonna doing primer, and Archie is gonna pick out the primer. He's really excited. I hear you. We hear you, Archie. We hear you. Everyone say hello to Archie. Oh, it's a good boy. It's a good boy. Okay. All right, Archie's down. Pick a primer. Oh. Really?
The worst.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Archie picked out the Farcelli Unicorn Essence. Again, is this even a primer? I don't even know. I just know that I think it does nothing for anyone. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now it's time for foundation. We have the Too Faced Born This Way, Tom Ford Traceless Foundation Stick, which I don't. The new ColourPop No Filter Foundation, which is really dirty. The YSL All Hours Foundation. And then lastly, hold on, she's a little dirty. And lastly, we have the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. These are only 5 foundations. Don't kill me. Okay. This is Venus. Say hi, Venus. Say hi, Venus. Pick a foundation. Yes! Oh. You gonna... Oh. Oh, I scared her again. See, she's antisocial. Okay. Shh. No. Oh, no. So Venus, at first she was gonna pick the ColourPop foundation, but I scared her away. And now I have to face my karma and use the Traceless foundation stick from Tom Ford, which I in the shade Porcelain. I don't know how this is the shade Porcelain, but okay, maybe that's a lot of foundation. It's just like, really, when they say it's traceless, they really mean it's traceless. Like, bitch, where did the foundation go, you know? You're gonna watch my face just turn so pink out of nowhere. Do you see it, like, pink as hell?
Does that oxidize?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, you're not slick, sis. That bitch bombed. She said, fuck y'all. This is the thing with cats. Their hair gets everywhere, and I can feel all of their hair. Their hair is all up. Ew. Oh my god, their hair is all up in this foundation. Alright, time for concealer. For concealer, I have the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer Super Coverage, the new one that I'm obsessed with. The new one that I am literally so obsessed with. Then we have the Urban Decay Naked Skin. This used to be an old favorite, but I'm not really into it anymore. Oh my god, my face is so itchy. Then we have the Tarte Shape Tape, which is Then the Makeup Revolution Concealer, which is really good. And then lastly, the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, which I'm neither here nor there about. Okay, now it's time for Archie. Alright. Hop to it, bud. Oh, come on.
Yes.
Okay, so Archie picked out the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, which, you know, just, I mean, this is a really good concealer. It's just super, it's not really the coverage I want. It's okay coverage, but I prefer the Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer right now. It's like one of my faves. For powder, I have the Coty Airspun. I have not used this in so long. Then we have the new Hourglass Veil powder, the MAC Patrick Star. Then I have the new ColourPop No Filter setting powder, and then the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, Venus, it's your turn. Here she go. Jealous. Work! Oh yes, honey! Yes! My good sis, Venus, picked out the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, which is one of my faves. Okay, let's set these under eyes before they get way too creasy. Don't you fucking If you could just, sweetie, hey, Venus, girl. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Go on, Archie, go, 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 go. Yes, honey. Okay, girl, it's not, sweetie. So next we have some blush. Blush. First off, we have a cream blush from Lottie London. Never used this before. We have a Morphe blush. I don't know, I just picked a random one. L'Oreal, and Benefit. Hey, Venus. No, sis, it's not your time. It's not your time.
She got that one.
Okay, she picked L'Oreal. Gorgeous. Next up, we have highlighters. ColourPop, Fenty, Ofra, Anastasia. Not your turn. Work! Ofra 1. Gorgeous. Venus or Archie picked out L'Oreal. I seriously can't remember who picked which. And I'm just going to use, it's the shade N3-N4. One of my favorite blushes of all time, so shout out to you, Venus and or Archie. I can't remember which one picked which. Lately I've been really obsessed with like bringing my blush around, giving me like this like youthful, sun-kissed doll, sunburnt, rosacea.
We love the sunburnt look.
Yeah, like just rosacea. And for highlighter, we have Glazed Donut Highlighter. This is the Nika Tutorials and for collaboration. And I'm just going to highlight my face with these.
The highlighter is so powerful.
Yeah, this can get really intense really fast. I don't mind this blinding already. Like, oh, she did that. Nikki did that. We've been done now. Now that I have chin filler, I've been like highlighting my chin for no reason to make it even more prominent, I guess. I can't tell if this nose is snatched or not. It looks like a It kind of looks like a rectangle. So I'm a dumbass and I wasn't recording on this main camera for the past, I don't know how fucking long. I'm so irritated right now, but I think we got it on my vlog camera. I'm annoyed, I'm annoyed. So now I'm just gonna prime my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion in the shade Eden, and then we're gonna have the pussies pick out the eyeshadow palette and the lipsticks. Did I have an eye booger this entire time? That's fucking gross. Yeah, okay, we're gonna take an AC break while we print out these pictures because it's fucking hot in here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas.
Wow, only 3 degrees cooler.
Hey guys, so it's cameraman Kevin, and I have some palettes right here that we're gonna let the cats pick out. I have the Beauty Bakery Do It for the Graham Cracker palette. And then I have the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, this. And the Lemonade palette from Dominique Cosmetics, which is now discontinued, but hopefully...
It's not, it just got recalled.
Which is recalled, but will hopefully be brought back soon.
I think it's like...
So we're gonna lay all 4 of these out. I'm gonna put some treats on them right now. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go back behind the vlog camera and I will see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel. My channel will be linked below. Thanks.
Okay, you can pick one, girl.
Venus, get your treat. Look at treats.
See, she has so much... Poor girl. Oh, no. She hasn't ate it yet. She hasn't ate it yet. Ooh, look at this one. Well, this is the most boring full face of products video ever. It's the fucking... It would have been juicier if she picked the Huda Beauty palette, but whatever.
So you could talk more shit. Just kidding. Mr. Thomas, I have a question. What is your beef with Huda Beauty? No comment. Run.
Okay, so Venus picked Jaclyn Hill palette. This is not planned, but thank you, Venus, for making this video not flop. Shout out to you, girl. At first, I was gonna have like print out a bunch of looks, and then the cats were gonna pick the look. Maybe I'll do that in a future video. So maybe I could do like a cat, like my cats pick my makeup look or something like that. Like, would that be something we would like to see on my channel? Let me know. Or like my dog picks my makeup look. But I'm just gonna do a whatever kind of moment with Jaclyn Hill. And yeah, this is not gonna be a tutorial. I'm just gonna put this thing in front of me and get to work. I'm gonna do the most basic.
No. Just kidding.
Most basic.
Wait. What?
I'm not speaking. Don't know what kind of look I'm going for. Maybe something soft and pretty. This is like the most boring fucking makeup look I've ever done. Okay, I turned the AC on because it's literally 82 degrees in here and I'm burning up. I'm losing my mind. So I'm just gonna talk really loud. I've just really been into super blown out, natural, smoky, just grungy looks lately. Really highly blushed. And that's what I'm going for. Some people might say I look sick. I say I look, fresh. Grabbing this highlighter again, and I'm just gonna re-highlight my face. Bring that dewiness back into my face. No, sweetie.
No.
The next, so finally we have lipsticks, and that is Dose of Colors, Sauvage, Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, this ugly ass metallic lip lipstick from Too Faced, and then my favorite lip gloss of all time, Fenty Gloss Bomb. So now we're gonna have Archie.
Yeah, ready.
Hey Archie. Okay, so I just finished up my eyes off camera. I put my lashes on. I did not want my cats to pick my lashes. That's the one thing I draw the line on is lashes. So Archie picked out my lip product for today, and he picked out the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade. It doesn't have the shade on here, but it's this color. And I'm just gonna put this on my lips. I'm not gonna do a lip liner or anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight in. What a simple, everyday makeup look. I have to. I just have to put just the tiniest bit of Fenty. I just need to.
Same.
And by tiny, I mean like a lot. I just need more gloss to happen here. I have been so obsessed with gloss since I got my lips dissolved. I need anything to make my lips look bigger. All right, guys. So this is the look that my cats picked out for me. This is the makeup that my cats picked out for me. All of the products together on this face. I'm gonna be honest with you, I really like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. I'm also using a new lens, so please let me know if you see any difference in quality. I hope this ain't too high quality, cause bitch, y'all don't need to see my pores like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.